What's up, guys? Your girl is back with another video, and in this video today I will be doing my lashes. Yes, it's been a while, and I will be doing my clusters today. I seen this video on YouTube and I say, you know what, let's try it out. Now in this palette I have 2/16, 14, 12, and 10-inch lashes. I think it's inches, forgive me if it's not, but let's get into this video, guys. I have my tweezer with me. You're going to need the tweezer, guys, and you also need glue. So I have my glue. So go ahead and brush your eyelashes. Make sure your face is washing clean. Your lashes are washing clean as well, of course, if you wash your face. So just brush that on. And I will be starting out, guys, with the 16. And these are the 16. They're nice, fluffy. They're so cute, guys. And I just want these to be looking as natural as possible. And make sure you get to the outer edge of your eyelid. And when you're putting on these lashes, make sure you don't hit that waterline. Make sure you put those lashes on your lash line, if that makes sense. Right on the lashes, not the waterline. There I go. And it's not easy. I'm not a professional, but I've been doing this for years. So that I do it myself and I don't trust anyone else doing it. But yes, I love these lashes. Look how great they come along. Nice and cute, guys. These are 16 as well. So I put like 3 to 4 16s. And now I'm on to the 14. I'll be adding the 14s now. So this is the 14. And I hope you guys enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out to your friends and family, guys. And if you need some advice on your lashes, you can hit me up in the comments, guys. I would appreciate it. And if you'd like to see me do another video, please drop it in the comments below. This is also a number 14-inch. And I like it like this, guys. This looks so natural. What do you guys think? Let me know. Put it in the comments below. I think it looked natural. But we're going to continue doing the rest and keep adding all the way to the edge of the eye. The inner eye. So just stick around as I add the next cluster. So I'm still adding the 14s. And I will be moving on to the 12 and 10. So I use 110, and that's for the inner eye. And I'm using 12 right now. So that last one will be a 10. I hope you guys like this. I will also be leaving the information in the description below. And this is the results, guys. Very cute. Very cute. Isn't that girl cute? Thank you for watching.